Okay, for topic 3, we're going to look at evaluating algebraic expressions, and we've done this in a bunch of our different worksheets. We learn a new concept, and then we see if we can kind of tie that into this world of algebra. So we've learned how to add and subtract decimals. Let's evaluate algebraic expressions where we have to add and subtract decimals, okay? So remember, when we evaluate algebraic expressions, we just replace the variables with given values and simplify, okay? So that's what example 4 asks us to do. So for part A, we have x plus y, but we are told that x is negative 5.76 and that y is negative 3.029. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite x plus y, replacing x and y with those number values. So x is negative 5.76. And to that, I want to add y, which is negative 3.029. Okay. Now, when you're adding two numbers that have different signs, whether both positive or both negative, we add and then we keep whatever the sign is. So we know we have negative plus negative. How much negative do we have? Okay. So off to the side, I'm going to take 5.76. I'm going to add 3.029. You could have easily done 3.029 and then plus 5.76. Addition's commutative. I just wrote it this way to remind you that you need the filler 0. All right. And we add column by column. So 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 0 is 7. Drop down your decimal. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. And remember, we were adding two negative numbers, so our final answer is negative 8 and 789 thousandths. Okay? Now for part B, we're subtracting. We have x minus y. So x is negative 25.01 and y is positive 39.8. So let's rewrite this expression, replacing x and y with their given values. So x is negative 25.01. From that, I want to subtract y, which is 39.8. And we learned way back in chapter 2 when we were subtracting integers that we could always convert it to an addition problem. And to do that, you keep the first number exactly the same. And then you subtract the opposite of the second number. Here we're subtracting positive 39.8. We want to do the opposite of that, which is to add negative 39.8. So again, we're in a situation where we're adding two numbers that are both negative. So off to the side, let's add. We have 25.01 plus 39.8. Don't forget your filler 0. And we're going to add column by column. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 8 is 8. Drop down your decimal. 5 plus 9 is 14. So I'm going to keep a 4, carry a 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So we know we have 64.81, but remember, both of our numbers were negative to start with. So this is negative 64 and 81 hundredths. Okay, so nothing different here. We're evaluating algebraic expressions. We've done it several times. Now we're just dealing with addition and subtraction of decimals.